Technology has revolutionized the culinary world, from smart kitchens that optimize cooking processes to digital menus that enhance dining experiences. The rise of food delivery apps has transformed how we access meals, allowing users to order gourmet cuisine from the comfort of their home with just a few taps. Innovations in food technology, such as lab-grown meat and plant-based alternatives, are reshaping our diets and addressing sustainability concerns. Augmented reality and virtual cooking experiences are changing how individuals engage with food, making cooking more interactive and educational. 3D food printing is pushing culinary boundaries, allowing chefs to create visually stunning dishes that challenge our perceptions of what food can be. AI-driven applications and smart appliances are personalizing meal planning and enhancing food management, making healthy eating more accessible for everyone. Social media has transformed food into a visual experience, influencing how we choose, prepare, and share meals with a wider audience online. Robotics in the culinary industry are enhancing efficiency and consistency, ushering in a new era of dining that merges technology with traditional cooking. Smart shopping technology is redefining the grocery experience, offering personalized deals and enhancing consumer knowledge about their food choices. Technological advancements are connecting consumers with the origins of their food, fostering transparency and encouraging sustainable local food systems. Virtual reality dining experiences are taking gastronomy to new heights, offering unique settings and immersive environments that heighten the joy of shared meals. Smart cooking technology is revolutionizing home kitchens, providing real-time feedback and ensuring that every meal turns out flawlessly. Molecular gastronomy is pushing the boundaries of traditional cooking, blending science and art to create unforgettable dining experiences that surprise and delight the senses. Food technology is enhancing cultural experiences at events, allowing participants to engage with various cuisines through feedback and digital interactions, bridging communities.